Let's talk about when you get upset with that kid and what you can do about it. When I say that kid, you know what I'm saying. It's usually the child who usually is the guilty party. When you turn around, it's like, who did that? I kind of know. But here's what happens. And in all seriousness, here's what happens is we oftentimes will look at the classroom that's really having a hard time unraveling. Kids are just kind of off the wall today. And that kid always gets called out first. And it's really tough for that kiddo because they get a reputation early on. And I hate to say it, but especially if they are a child who's attending a specialized program or something for kids who have challenging behaviors. And so our expectations for those kids are they're going to misbehave. And so they get called out before anybody else. So I'm just asking you to be aware when you are going to be calling out that kid, look around. Are other kids actually behaving a little bit more disruptive than that kid? And just try to be aware of it the best you can so that we don't always call out that kid, because we want that kid to be able to have a fresh start whenever possible. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.